Hello students, today let us study chapter 2 Computer Pioneers. What does this pioneer means? These are the people who has first tried to explore any things. So let us see who are all the explorers of computer. In your previous chapter we studied how computers are evolved over the years. This would not be happened without the contribution of these people across the world, that is the pioneers. So let us take a look of the pioneers who have played a major role in the growth of computer technology. Alan Turing. Alan Turing is considered to be the father of modern computer science. So, this scientist is considered as father of modern computer science. The basic principle of the modern computer was convinced by Alan Turing. So, the basic principle what he had planned, it was convinced by the Alan Turing. His idea of controlling the machine's operations using a program stored in the computer's memory was known as the Turing machine. So, according to him, the machines which controls the operations of using programs that are stored in the memory of the computer is known as the Turing machine. He also came up with an experiment known as Turing test. So he came up with an experiment named as Turing test to define whether a machine can be called intelligent. So this Turing test experiment tells whether the machine can be called as intelligent or not. The test was a significant contribution towards the growth of artificial intelligence. So nowadays artificial intelligence is very popular. So the Turing test is an contribution for the growth of artificial intelligence. Next pioneer is John Vincent Attansoff. John Vincent Attansoff is known as father of computer. So he is known as father of computer. He created the ABC, Attansoff Berry computer. That was the first electronic digital computer, ABC. It was designed with a specific purpose of solving linear equations. So this electronic computer was designed to solve linear equations. John Vincent is known as father of computer. He created this ABC. That was the first electronic digital computer. He designed this ABC computer for solving linear equations. Next pioneer is Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace, also known as Countess of Lovelace, is considered to be the world's first computer programmer. So she is considered as the world's first computer programmer. So she has first written the program in computer. So she is the first computer programmer. She translated Charles Babbage's work on analytical engine. So in the first chapter we studied what Charles Babbage developed or discovered, the analytical engine. So she translated it. She also predicted that machines like the analytical engine could be used to compose music, produce graphics, and to be useful to science. So she said that the analytical engine, which was developed by Charles Babbage, is useful to compose music, and you can make graphics out of it, and it is very useful in the science field. US Department of Defense developed a language in the early 1980s for large-scale programming and named it Ada in her honor. So the US Department, they developed a language in the early 1980s. So the language was named as Ada to honor this pioneer. Next pioneer, Henry Edward Roberts. Henry Edward Roberts is most often known as father of the personal computer, that is the PC. Who is the father of PC? Is the Henry Edward Roberts. He is the father of personal computer. He invented MIT's Altair 8800, the first commercially successful personal computer. So he invented this computer, that is MIT's Altair 8800. It was the first successful personal computer. It was invented in 1975. This inspired Bill Gates and his childhood friend Paul Allen to come up with Microsoft. So Microsoft is developed by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. So they two were inspired by this personal computer invented by Henry Edward Roberts. So these Bill Gates and Paul Allen, they developed the Microsoft operating system. Grace Murray Hopper. Grace Murray Hopper was a pioneer of computer programming. So he was the first one, not the first one, a good programmer, pioneer of computer programming. So for programming, he was the pioneer, that is the first one. She invented one of the first compilers to convert programs written in English like language to machine language understood by the computer. So the Grace Murray Hopper, she invented the first compiler which converts the high level language, that is which you write in your computer lab, which is of English and numeric data, and that is converted into machine language, computer language. The computer does not understand the language which we write in English, so that is translated to machine language. That compiler was invented by Grace Murray Hopper. She also played a major role in development of programming language COBOL, which earned her the name Grandma COBOL. So she was one of the major person in developing the COBOL programming language. So she was famous with the name of Grandma COBOL. Next, Alexandra Elmer Fortis. Alexandra Elmer Fortis wrote the first computer science textbook. So the textbooks which you are studying is written by Jyoti Krishnamurthy, but the first computer science textbook was written by Alexandra. Textbook Computer Science. A first course in 1969. She also helped establish the computer science program at Stanford University. She has written many computer textbooks on programming languages. She has written many textbooks on programming languages. So these are some of the computer pioneers. Thank you, students.